Welcome home to this gorgeous historic fully renovated 3B/2B charmer on the east side of Savannah. This home meets you with a wide porch supported by stately columns. It sits way above the ground, giving you a perfect view of the neighborhood. Original details are preserved and restored, hardwood floors throughout, windows and triple fireplaces. The functional side, however, is brand new, including electric, plumbing, HVAC, water heater, and roof with foam insulation. The stunning open concept kitchen features stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, a breakfast bar, elegant backsplash, and an ample amount of cabinets. You will appreciate the style and elegance of tiled bathrooms, one with a tub for a deep soak and another with a walk-in shower. The yard is protected by a brand new fence with a gate to allow for a car or boat parking in the backyard. Located within minutes of downtown, Tybee, shopping, restaurants, etc. One member of LLC acting as a seller is a GA licensed realtor.